Real estate in Kenya and in Africa has improved drastically, and that has come with several pros and several cons. One of the biggest advantages is that locals and non-locals are able to enjoy high-quality homes at a considerable price. Today, we give you this 5-bedroom mansion which has a price tag of 22 million Kenya shillings. The location, Ruiru Mugutha, and the print area is around 300 square meters. The size of the plot is 50 by 100 or an eighth of an acre. I have seen a common complaint in most new homes that we have uploaded recently. And most of you keep telling us that Kenyan developers do not know how to mix concrete jungleness and greenery. And some of the developers have witnessed what you're saying and are able to implement that immediately after construction. This home was completed less than 3 days ago, and as you can see, the developer was able to conserve the trees that were in the compound, and he has added so many flowers to complement the scene. This is the front yard. Right now, the grass has been planted. It will be up in a few weeks, and it welcomes you to the parking area that has been done very well to fit your 4 or 5 cars. On this far end, you get a very good section that has been done to connect a tap that will be used to wash your Range Rovers, and that is an interesting thought. Let's talk about the facade of this unit, and if you have seen something like that recently, you should tag that in the comment section. The perimeter wall has been done excellently. The design is different, and that is also adding to the amount that you'll pay for this unit. This developer gave you a walkway that takes you from the gate all the way to the rear side of the unit. And as you can see, the greenery has been balanced very well. This unit comes with a sliding gate, and if you would want that to be done, you just need to add a few coins and the developer will do that ASAP. Now I want you to walk with me to the main entrance. From there, you can agree with me that this developer has given you a beautiful entrance porch, and the lighting is so vibrant to complement the look. Technology is very, very good, but you only notice its effect when it gets to you. This is a smart lock, and it can be opened in 4 ways. So if you like opening via a card, it can be done. If you like a password, that can also be done. You can also open a door from wherever you are using your phone. That is improvement. Right now, we are in the living room of this unit, and it has been done very well. As you can see from there, you get a focal point on this area, which comes with the fireplace, and this is where you would do all your electronics. This board is big enough to fit your 75-inch TV, and the lighting is just something else. The wainscoting is there to complement the look of this living room, and during the day, you get your enough light from this wall-to-wall window. The craftsmanship of everything in this unit has been done very well, and the developer has used these big, long tiles to give you a very, very smooth feel when you are in this living room. Let's proceed to the dining area, which is on my far front. This unit is adopting the ethos of less is more, and the developer has made sure that this design is very, very easy to live in and very easy to understand. The living room opens to the dining area where we are right now, and it is an excellent space to fit your 8-seater dining table. On this side, you get a mini vanity, and this is where you wash your hands before you enjoy your food. The best thing is that it comes with a smart mirror, which gets a defroster. On my right hand side, you get an access to the kitchen, but before we see all that, you get a breakfast table here. And you can also add 2 or 3 chairs here to make it a minibar. If you want to have your wines, you can put them in this glass cabinet. Right now we are in the kitchen. It has been done very, very well. And the balance between the whites and the blacks is making this kitchen look very nice. Just look at it. The developer made sure that he gave you a small functional island which comes with some cabinetry on this side and a space where you can add a chair or 2 as you're working on this countertop. Behind me, you get the window of the kitchen and it is direct to the sink area where you can wash and rinse your utensils. Next to it, you have a provision for your dishwasher, and on my far front, you have your cooking area, which comes with a 5-burner cooktop, a hood, and a pot filler. Tell me, check on the internet in Mugutha or in other localities a unit for 22 million Kenya shillings, which has a pot filler. This developer is doing things differently. This other side gives you a provision for your side-by-side refrigerator. You get your oven, your microwave, of which all of those come standard, and you have an opening which takes you to the pantry of this unit. And in the pantry, you get the controller of your electric fence. Security is very important. That door is opening to the laundry area, the employee quarters, which is the 5th bedroom, and the clothes area. Let's see that. This developer will add the clothes area from that edge all the way to the other edge, and that will be a 50-feet clothes area. So if you have a ton of clothes, don't be worried. The laundry space is big enough to fit your washer and dryer, and a sink will be added, and as you can see, you get a floor trap and an exit for the fall water. This becomes your 5th bedroom or your employee quarters. The idea in this developer's mind was sometimes when you get some African parents, they can't or they wouldn't accept to sleep in the main unit, and that's why you can give this unit or this room that is off the main house. That is very important. Secondly, in many African communities, when the boy child gets to puberty, they like their own personal space, and they can move out from the main unit to this space where they can enjoy their freedom. And this room comes with its bathroom, and it has been done very well, coming with a wash basin, a WC at the center, and a mini shower cubicle. The closet is not the biggest, though it has been done excellently, and it is floor to ceiling. I'll take you back to the main unit and we'll proceed, or we'll continue with the tour. This unit has 3 bedrooms on the lower level, one on my right hand side, another one on my left hand side, and the employee quarters that we have seen. The primary is up, so we will see that in a minute. If you would want to purchase a unit like this or any other unit in other area, you need to call us for a pre-purchase inspection, because we don't like you being conned by getting illegal documents or getting a unit with compromised quality. So talk to us and we'll help you to avoid simple scams. Let's see the first bedroom on this side. This bedroom comes with its bathroom, and the bathroom comes with all the fixtures that you may require. Next to it, you get the sleeping space, and it is big enough to fit a 6x6 bed, a king size or a queen size. The window is here, floor to ceiling, to give you enough natural light. Come to this side. The quality of the closet that this developer is giving you is very high, and you get 2 drawers down there, spaces for the hangable clothes, and some spaces for the foldable clothes. Here you can keep the clothes that you rarely use. From the first bedroom, we proceed to the second one. Next to the staircase, you have this storage that has been created for the family shoes, and it is big enough to fit 50 pairs of shoes, so everyone in the family will get a space or a slot in this cabinet. The second bedroom on this level adopts a similar concept to what we saw in the first bedroom, where the bathroom comes with a WC, a wash basin, and a showering area. The only difference is that this sleeping space is slightly bigger to fit two beds, and that's why you can see the developer has given this socket another socket at the center. This is where you have this first bed, and between this socket and this other socket is another space where you can do the second bed. So if you have 4 kids, 5, maybe 6, this unit is for you. Come to this side. The closet has been done very well. It is not the biggest, though this bedroom is targeting the tiny children. From here, I'll take you to the upper level where we have the primary bathroom, the family room, and the other bedroom. This staircase has been done very well, and the developer made sure that he has given you and-sleep tiles, and these are excellent for the kids because at least you are very sure you will not have an accident in the house. This developer is big in lighting, and as you can see, the staircase gets a very advanced lighting, and if this is not enough, during the day you'll get your light from that massive window. The unit comes with a mini family room where you can do a TV on this side and maybe a 5-seater couch. This room has been left for the people who would want to have a personal space. Let's say you like reading a book or you like enjoying a movie alone. This is the mini family room that you get, and it would be excellent for those activities. On this other side, you get a common washroom, and this becomes very important, especially when you are doing some activities on this level and you do not want to disturb the people who are in the bedrooms. This is the 5th bedroom, and it comes with its bathroom at the entrance, and the concept is just the same. The only difference between these toilets is the size. The sleeping space of this bedroom is big enough, and if you have noticed, all the bedrooms in this unit are of sizable space, meaning that you can do king-size beds in all of them. The closet is on my left-hand side, and it is getting a ton of natural light from this big window. So if you want to select your clothes from the closet, you don't need to put the lights on because you can get enough light from that big window. From here, I'll take you to the primary bedroom, and later we will see the roof terrace. We are in the primary bathroom, and this developer is still working on it. A shower cubicle will be added here, and as you can see, you are getting a handheld and a rain shower. A WC is on my far front. This side has been reserved for your bathtub jacuzzi, and on my far front, you get your vanity. For 22 million Kenya shillings, this developer is giving you a lot, and this is the primary walk-in closet. It is perfect, it is big, and it is targeting you because you have a ton of clothes. This space has been made for it. If you would want the developer to add a dressing island here, that one can be done at a cost. On my far front, you get the sleeping space of the master bedroom, and as you can see, this is an excellent space for you to do your favorite bed, and you can do a TV section on this other side. This room is very roomy, and it gets excellent views from the balcony. From here, the tree that is in the compound looks very beautiful, and the mixture of the greenery of Ruiru Mugutha and the quality that this developer has given you is just improving my mood. The window is sliding, and you have an access to the balcony here. This balcony will give you the best view of your compound, and if you have beautiful toys like a Range Rover or a Lexus, you'll be able to see them from here. The beauty and the quietness of this locality is just adding to the vibe. Let me take you to the roof terrace. This becomes your resting area, or you can call it your roof terrace. On my far front, you get your pergola, and that would be an excellent gazebo. On top of the unit is a space where you are supposed to do your solar panels, your solar water heaters, and also you have your tanks there. This roof terrace has a plinth area of around 80 square meters, and this would be excellent if you want to hold an activity here. So if you would want to purchase such a unit which gives you a combination of work and play, you need to call us right now. The quality of this unit and the beauty of it is making me feel like I want to buy it. The only problem is that I don't have money. Anyway, we have come to the end of the tour, and we hope you have enjoyed. If you would want to purchase this unit right now, our number is always attached up here. So call us, and this is African Real Estate, and your presenter is Mungai Kihara.